gonna become beauty guru. No.
I got this movie. You probably don't know me. Hello, welcome back. If you don't know, Jeffree Star, oh my gosh, he just came out with this new Bloodlust collection. And here's something you probably don't know about me, because I'm a new little YouTuber here. I love the color purple. Purple, it is my favorite color, alright? So of course, when I heard that this new collection was coming out and that it was all gonna be purple, you know I had to be there at 10 a.m. online to order my little thing. Here's the clip. 18 minutes to go. 1 minute. Jeffree Star's website was taking a little longer than I wish, so I went ahead and tried Morphe at the same time. Here's that clip on the Morphe page because Jeffree is taking too long, so thank you, Morphe. And of course, today, February 26, 2020, I get it in the mail. Yeah. All right. It is purple. Okay, so this is how the box came. I can't hold it. Okay. Oh my gosh. So this came with wrap. Oh my god, the bag. So here is the gloss. Sorcery. Shoom, 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 shoom. Oh my god, my first watch, and I did it so wrong. Oh my god, it has this nice little it has a little purple glimmer. Okay, this is the one I am truly excited for. Oh my gosh. Okay, look, it's a hand mirror. Ooh. Okay. Doo. You guys are getting the first look. Doo. Oh my gosh, queen. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, have a look at yourself. I love this. Oh my god, this is fucking amazing. Look at this. Literally, it takes over my whole freaking face. Like, this is amazing. Oh my god, look at that. It like takes over this. Wait, I need to have a Jeffree Star moment. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Oof, this is life changing. Time for some fun. Okay, the color I'm probably gonna change. No, I'm not. I'm gonna keep it. I kind of like it. It's not really me, and it doesn't go with the green, but like whatever. I love this mirror. The gloss, I think I was trying to get the Wizard glass because it's more of a little dark purple, and I got this one instead by accident. But you know what? Everything happens for a reason. I'm feeling it. Like, I like it. I like it. I'm into it, and I love this. It's so much easier, so worth it. This was $30 and this is 18 bucks. It's a little pricey, but for the overall product, it is so worth it. But if you into makeup and you stay this long though, like, you probably already know that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye. You probably don't know me.